Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you two really easy ways to attach an email to another email in Gmail. So the first method is the forward as attachment method. So you can attach one or more emails. Just find the email, check the box here. If you want to add another one, check that box, and then click on these three dots for more, and then select forward as attachment. That's going to create a new email message with those emails automatically attached right there. The second method is the drag and drop method. So what you want to do first is click on Compose to start a new email. Find the email you want to attach, click on it, drag it, drop it, and there you go. Now it's attached. You can attach multiples. There are some size limits. You can attach up to 25 megabytes. So just keep that in mind. So that's two ways to attach an email to another email in Gmail.
I hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials and visit simplesoftwaretutorials.com for step-by-step guides and free resources. Thanks for watching.